Is your 50 crore plus business GST compliant on paper but still exposed in practice? Here are 4 GST blind spots that your team should review. First, e-invoice. An invoice is not considered as a tax invoice unless e-invoice, that is IRN, is generated. There is also a 30-day time limit for generating e-invoices. But the key check is, are your e-invoices being reconciled with GSTR1? Second, HSN code and GST rates. Please don't rely on Google or AI for classification. Tariff entries, GST rates, and notifications keep changing, and sometimes even multiple rate entries may apply to the same HSN. So, the real question is, can your GST rates be defended if questioned later? Third, IMS dashboard. If credit notes not related to you are not rejected, they will flow into your GSTR2B and may create future ITC disputes. Therefore, action on IMS dashboard should not be ignored. Fourth, vendor invoices. Before accepting invoices, check whether all mandatory particulars are mentioned properly. GST of parties, value, description, tax amount, place of supply, and IRN wherever applicable. A defective invoice can put ITC at risk. And lastly, one bonus tip. Many businesses believe that ITC on import of goods can be taken only after the bill of entry gets reflected in GSTR2B. But there is no such requirement under the law. If you have a proper bill of entry, ITC can be taken even if it gets reflected in GSTR2B later. This can directly improve your cash flows. If you want to know more about any of these GST blind spots, let's talk.